Question. Can I qualify for VAWA if I leave the United States? So can I qualify for VAWA if I leave the United States? Actually, we have a client who started working with us while she was in the United States. She's from Guyana, and she was a victim of abuse in her marriage. She left the United States, and now we will continue with her VAWA application. The process is slightly different, right? It's not harder, the chances aren't greater or lesser. The VAWA part is still decided in the US, but instead of doing adjustment of status for her green card, we'll be able to consular process her green card. So she will ultimately go get her visa stamped in the embassy, the US embassy in Guyana, before she returns as a green card holder. So yes, you can still do that if you are experiencing abuse in your marriage, if you no longer live with your spouse, if you have left the US and now live outside the US as long as you were married to a US citizen or a green card holder, right? And if you're divorced, as long as the divorce is not more than 2 years after 2 years before you file a VAWA. So you can't have more than 2 years from the date of the divorce, from the date the divorce becomes final, for you to file that VAWA. So if you're either married to a US citizen or a green card holder, if you have lived with them at any point in time, whether outside the US or inside the US, if there's abuse in that marriage occurring sometime while you were in the US, you can still qualify for VAWA, which can include a green card for many people, for most of our clients. Okay? Give us a call if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663.